Aoshima Island, one of Japan's renowned cat islands, is among a handful of small locales where cats outnumber human inhabitants. With over 100 feline residents, the island boasts a serene landscape where cats can be found lodging in abandoned homes or strolling through the tranquil fishing village. In fact, the cat population on Aoshima outnumbers humans by a ratio of 6 to 1. Thanks to its newfound popularity on social media, this tiny island has experienced a surge in tourist interest, placing strain on its small permanent community.